Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the impressive features of the NOAH MEGATRON queen-size metal bed frame, a robust and reliable foundation for your bedroom. This heavy-duty bed frame boasts a remarkable 3,000-pound weight capacity, ensuring exceptional support for your box spring and foam mattress, although these are not included. With its 9-leg support system, including 3 center legs, the frame offers enhanced overall strength, while the plastic gasket ends ensure a noise-free experience and protect your wood floors. Assembly is a breeze with its integrated compact design, allowing you to set it up in just 10 minutes without any tools, and it even includes brackets for easy headboard or footboard connection. The frame is conveniently packaged in a small parcel, making it easy to move through doors and upstairs. Measuring 76 by 60 by 7 inches and weighing just 25 pounds, this bed frame comes with a 5-year limited warranty, providing peace of mind and long-lasting durability. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.